Hello, wonderful people of this lovely universe. I want to say Akwaba. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. And today we are having ultimate comfort duo. That is how I call it. It is crispy potatoes and savory pork chops. This isn't just a meal, it's a masterclass in texture. And when it comes to the benefit of potatoes, it's a powerhouse for your vitamin C, your potassium, which of course is very good for your immune system. I went ahead to use a mandolin to slice them into rectangular shapes, and then I also added the red paprika and salt, sprayed it and air fried. The same thing I did for the pork. You don't want to forget your steak seasoning. Also set on the side some butter and minced garlic with some parsley. I enjoy this with some coleslaw on the side. So this is our go-to meal when we want to do air fry for just some few minutes and we